Hello everyone, I hope you are doing awesome right there. The reduced syllabus of maths ICC class 10 semester 2, the chapter which will not be able to come, the chapter, the topics has been reduced from the chapter, the questions number, I will be letting you know, I will be making you aware that what kind of chapter to read, which kind of chapter is not to read, regarding which kind of topics and the questions to read, in which I will be letting you know the important topics, the important question which you need to kill first to keep 40 out of 40 even though, right? So without wasting any time, let us start with an coordinate geometry. As you know very well, if you are following ML Agarwal book, if you are following Constant Selina, or if you are following other kind of books, remember one thing: the coordinate geometry. The coordinate geometry, that is all about reflection, midpoint and section formula, equation of a line. The three chapters are there in case of coordinate geometry. Not a single question has been omitted, not a single topic has been deleted. That indicates you have to read it each and everything as it is, right? Number one. Number two, coming to the geometry part. In the geometry part, it comes similarity. It was a syllabus of ICC class 10 semester 1, but the circle is there, and many people are also saying there's a circle, is the tangent of a circle is there, circle is there. What should be, what we should read, what we should which the topic we should omit that. Remember the question which are there, prove wala question of circle, prove wala question of circle as well as tangent of a circle, generally it is not there, but prove wala question, if something is there, prove wala question in case of circle, put a big cross over there. Though proving they will be not asking the proving, the way you have done similarity, in the same way you have to come to the circle, right? Theorems, you have to prove the theorems, you have to prove, proving types of question will be not able, which will be not going to come in the examination. So proving is completely deleted, you can say it is completely omitted. Which kind of problem generally will come from the tangent of the circle or from the circle? If there is having any kind of question is find x, find x, right? Find x, calculate, उसी प्रकार का सवाल तुम्हें करना है, जो बोला होगा निकालो, you have to find it out. That type of problem you have to do. Suppose a figure would be there in which there will be having, they might have said find x, something like that. So it is all about a cut copy paste of similarity, how you people have understood the similarity, how you people have done the similarity. In the same way the circle will be there. And the most important, the way I taught similarity on the eve of mathematics exam in a one shot, that is all about the tips and tricks. Don't worry, again I will be coming with the tips and tricks of this chapter. Do not worry regarding it. Loci, a complete cross, you can put a complete cross which you might be knowing, right? Loci, no need. Locus and its construction, no need. The most important, construction also no need, but generally CBSE people will be doing this all, but you people no need to do, right? Acha, coming to the mensuration part, my dear most children. In case of mensuration part, what? Now mensuration part, sphere and hemisphere is completely deleted. Sphere नहीं आएगा, अगर sphere नहीं आएगा तो hemisphere कहाँ से आएगा, वो भी delete हो चुका है. For more details, I am sorry for the ML Agarwal students. If you are having conscience, please go to the page number 302, 305, 306, right? And also 10 point, if you are not getting page number, you can directly go to the 10.4 of Constant Selina. Exercise 10C, the question which have directly cut, which you can put across over there. 1 to 8 मत लिखना, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 वाला होगा, right? 1 to 8 as well as 10 11 12 20D the same, 1 and 2 3 11 and 12, coming to the 20F 9 and 15, coming to the 20G 2 5 and 18. These are the portion of mensuration. Coming to the statistics, ogive, histograph, everything will be coming. Coming to the statistics, little bit relaxed, I have found, even you people also have found little bit relaxed, that if the question will be coming, if what, the question will come guarantee pakka. As I say in every video, direct question, this also saying, suppose a question is coming, find the mean, and the maximum people, generally the question come in the every board exam, find the mean find the mean of with the help of shortcut, shortcut method, step deviation method, right? So people get people get trapped onto it. They get RAR shortcut, the method, step deviation method, but this time they have said you can take it out in any of the method. Which method is suitable for you, you can take it out the mean in case of direct, shortcut as well as step deviation. I am not saying. CISE has board members, they have said, they have you might be having many more circular within yourself, reduce syllabus circular, right? So coming to the probability, not a single reduction is there from the probability, and remember probability will be changing your life always. बच्चे बहुत होता है probability very easy, बच्चे बहुत मतलब गलती करके आ जाता है. I make you aware, probability you should not skip. The chapter which you need to keep a lots of priority. Acha, trigonometry I left little bit. Trigonometry, height and distance, not a single reduction is there in case of trigonometry, height and distance. 20D नहीं करना, वो बहुत सालों से delete हो चुका है. If you are following trigonometry, constant element 20D ना करना, बहुत सालों से delete हो चुका है. Whatever, that is a different matter. But whatever I was talking about, but my dear most children, the most important topics which you need to keep on the top, that is trigonometry, second is height and distance, third is circle, very easy, find length x निकाल पाओगे, कैसे निकाल कर पढ़ाऊंगा, don't worry regarding it. Coming to the mensuration is a very important, and probability is something you cannot even skip, as the most important this type choice is there. In the semester 1 there was having not a single choice, there was having not a single extra questions that out of 10 you have to do 8 and something like that, but this time you are having many options within yourself, which is thank you very much for the CBSE, CISE or ICSE board members. So this is all about you must know this whole strategy before reading this, right? So coming stronger in the next session, and if you have not watched my trigonometry lectures as well as current electricity and many more, please do watch it out. Thank you very much and cheer yourself.